Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. You can head on over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Just crack it open and see what's inside. Wow. Alright, so when you open one of these boxes, you'll notice there's a card inside. And they used to have a sheet that came with it, with all the info, but now you can just head on over to this link and find out about everything in the box. So I'm going to do that and let you know what's inside. Alright, the first one we have here is from Myojo Foods. This is the Megami Cup Nuku Shoyu variety. And yeah, it's a pretty big cup. You'll note that it does have a sachet on top, so you don't want to forget that, but yeah, these bigger cups usually are a little more premium. And here we have some Daikoku Tenemochi Ramen. And this one looks to have a piece of mochi, so it kind of ends up being like this kind of taffy-like, mozzarella-like chewy block. So, interesting. Next up from Sanyo Foods, we have Maikohan Kyoko Miso Ramen. So this has an interesting pair of characters on it. I don't know much about it, but it looks interesting, so we'll have to give that one a try. And then from Ace Cook, we have Chiba Hamaguri Dashi Shio. So this one has wakame in it. Wakame is a sea vegetable, kind of like seaweed. It's a little bit thicker. And yeah, this also mentions that it has egg in it, so that's kind of cool. And then from Sugakiya, we have Ippin Sozai Toyama Shiro Ibi Ramen. And since it mentions Ibi, that's shrimp. So this is going to be a shrimp variety. It looks like the broth is really rich, so I'm looking forward to giving this a try. This looks like a very premium one. And from Nissin, we have Kyo Udon Cup. So this, it says that it's got extra noodles. It's a kind of a traditional New Year's variety. And it has a lot of kelp in it, so we'll see. And then to wrap up the box from Marushan, we have Fujinomiya Yakisoba. Yeah, it's really big. There's a lot here. It's got some weight to it. And yeah, this sounds pretty good, so we'll have to give this one a try. Alright, so to recap, in the January 2022 Zenpop Festive Feast box, you get extra noodles, Megami, fancy shrimp, mochi ramen, wakame ramen, a really big yakisoba, and your info card. Alright, well cool, thanks for watching. Yeah, if you want to get one of these boxes, head on over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Thank you for watching too, because I know I probably sound kind of weird. I'm pretty sick. Everybody at my house is right now, so make sure that you stay well and healthy. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.